Welcome back to Google Ads Mastery. We're in a measurement certification course currently. Yesterday we finished our first activity, which was power your AI with measurement and data. One little note at the end of that was basically your AI is only as powerful as the data you feed it and the quality of data and the amount of data you feed it. So high quality and lots of data equals good output for AI. Shitty data, low quality, low amounts, not much it can do. Probably shitty returns, shitty results. Ecosystem changes occur when regulatory bodies change laws, technology changes, where new privacy policies come or are enacted, and there's changes to the platforms. This changes how we collect data, and this is why third-party data, such as cookie data, is not great, because it can be rapidly changed through these regulatory and technological changes, these ecosystem changes that allow us to get not as high-quality data. The best data is first-party data. We can collect that literally from offline stuff. We can collect that from forms. Actually, what testimonial videos is our first-party data. Surveys, these are first-party. Google also offers tools for collecting first-party data on websites, such as the Google Tag and Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. These are first-party data collection tools. We have some actionable steps to take in the future once I'm done with this course and I'm certified, such as setting up the Google Tag and Tag Manager, getting more familiar with that. Google Analytics, becoming more familiar with that, turning on first-party mode for Google Tag, enhanced conversions, optimized targeting, and performance max with audience, such as new customer acquisition and re-engagement goals. Cool. All right. Next activity we started was discover performance measurements, right? Or no, discover conversion measurements. This is all about tracking conversions and making sure you have accurate, good quality conversion data. Well, what is a conversion? A conversion is basically any action that a prospect, lead, or customer takes that you deem as the business owner or the business as valuable. Okay? I think that's everything we covered yesterday. So we can also import data. Like I already said, that's first-party data that you collect outside of Google. All right, so now we're all caught up. So what I'm going to do is continue to take the course, and I'll be back to retrieve information from memory in a bit. So I'll be back in a second. All right, guys, I really wanted to finish that second activity today, which is discover conversion measurement, but was just shy of it. We have the final question, the summary, and then the extended reading. So we should be done within like 3 to 5 minutes tomorrow with that activity. So that's cool. We basically learned about 2 ways to track conversion tracking today. 2 ways to do conversion tracking. First is just site loads. This is simpler. You need to install Google Tag across your website, and then whenever a site loads, specific site loads, that's considered a conversion. That's what we're currently doing. That's the simpler way. Then there's the manual way to do conversion tracking, and this is you're adding snippets as well as the Google Tags. You're installing the Google Tag manually with code. This is a little more advanced, but they said if you want to use Google Tag Analytics or Google Tag Manager, you should probably do the manual installation of the tag. So I kind of just wrote down a question today to answer later on once I have a better answer. Is, does manual Google Tag installation lead to better data than simple site loading or site load conversion tracking? Like, does it lead to better data? If not, then I'll just stick with what we have, the simpler way. But if it does, of course, I'll change it to the more advanced way. So that's basically everything. The only other thing was, I just thought it was cool. You can, the way they do tracking for phone calls is that Google will actually give you a new phone number that will just forward to your business number, but then they can track with that forward number how many people are calling from your website. So that's it for today. I will talk to you guys later. See ya.